Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and today we're looking at a Honda VT750, or also known as a Honda Shadow 750. The most desirable of the Shadows, kind of the best made engine, really nice bit of torque out of it. This one has a few nice tasteful mods done to it, including the Vance and Heinz full exhaust system, not just mufflers but full into the engine itself. Really beautiful sound off it, makes a huge difference. The set of those exhausts there are in around €1,000 itself. So what else is about the bike? It's had a brand new front tyre put on it. The rear tyre is good as well, which you'll see, but I'll just show you from the front. Front tyre is good, front mudguard is good. We do have a very minor dent in the front mudguard here. It doesn't seem like it's getting any chips or anything like that, and just got a dent in it there. As you can see, nice chrome alloys in good nick also. Right hand side of the bike now, tank has a little minor mark there, which actually probably would come out, little speck there. All the chrome on the engine and side casings and so on have no signs of pitting, and the same with the exhaust. Do have a few minor superficial scrapes on this right hand side panel here. The twin Vance and Heinz exhaust system. Onto the rear swing arm, rear drum, front disc. Rear tire is fine. Number plate is an American one. It is an American import, I believe, or actually it could be Japanese, I'm not sure. But the bike has been registered in Ireland and we're just awaiting a plate. So that's it. Rear chain guard is present. Swing arm, look at that, all really good condition, no signs of rust at all. Nice Honda logo here on the left hand side. Original Honda key as well, as you can see. Engine on the left hand side is in really good condition. This bike overall is in really nice nick. The seat has been reupholstered, not to the most brilliant quality, but it's fine, no rips or tears. You do have a little speck there in the tank, also there and there, and there's the odometer. Your gear shifter here, you have your choke on the left hand side, and so on. So you have mirrors here, and there's the front headlamp with the original indicators left and right. Big front disc, as you can see as well, and that's where we are. So that's it for the Honda VT750 Shadow visual and walk around inspection. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
Okay, before we start, I'm doing a new thing of how to start the bike. Worst thing to know, key is on your left hand side under the seat. Put it onto the on position. Your choke is here as well, but the bike doesn't need choke at the moment, I think, to start. Cold even. You sit on the bike, make sure the kill switch is on the on position, and then start her and give her a bit of revs. As you can see, starts up right away and away we go. Now, one thing to note with you straight away at this bike is first of all the sound, of course, but second of all the sitting position is very comfortable. Lots of room on the rear as well for a pillion passenger. Your legs are also the wide stance because of the very large tank. It's all very comfortable though. I'm 188 centimeters or 6'2", and I fit on the bike very nicely, and if you're smaller than that you will do as well. It's not a particularly huge bike, but it's a particularly nice sounding bike. As you can see, the snapbacks and crackles when you when you're letting off the throttle. But the bike itself is really smooth for the V-twin. Sounds super nice. Really nice tank on it. And another thing I really like about this bike is the sunshine yellow colour. We had a Honda 50 Honda Today 50 that was in the sunshine yellow and was in very nice condition, or very nice colour as well. I'm really a big fan of this kind of Honda yellow colour, and I'm sure a lot of you guys will be as well. Nice turning circle there too. All electrics working. It's just had a new chain and sprocket. Oil has been drained and replaced. All the coolant levels been checked. Bike's had a full once over and is running really nicely, as you can see. idling, all the rest. So let me just get down here, flick down the gears, and we go into we will get to the end of the road here, and we will have a look at the electrics. I've already got the picture of her because this is actually my second time doing the video. As the first time I did the video I wasn't recording, didn't have the SD card in the camera itself. So let me just flick in here to the left hand side, put it into neutral. There we are. And we're going to go straight into the indicator. So front left there you can see working very nicely, rear left working nicely as well. The right rear is working too, and the front right is working as well. I think what I didn't mention though in the video was there's a small dent on the left hand side of the tank here, as you can see. Front headlamp, as you can see, working as well. You have the daytime running indicators, which is typically for an American bike or American style bike. As you can see, rear brake light working too. That's been it for the Honda VT750 Shadow. If you like the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of the VT750. Also, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. We're nearly at 2,000 subscribers. And if you want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook. And our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.